Welcome to Esporta Wash Systems. My name is Randy Rode. I'm the CEO and founder of a company that we started in 1998. Our company was based upon washing items that typically could not be washed. We started with the sports industry with cleaning hockey gear. We now are able to clean items that would take us right down into food grade safe. We do this by having testings and monitorings that allow us to ensure that every recipe that goes through our machine is done exactly the same way, providing what we need to ensure that the customer gets exactly what we promise, which is a clean item.
The industry has changed. The demand has changed. Not only is it the Esporta patent of the machine in operation that will help you clean the items and types of categories of loss, but what it'll also do is, combined with our proprietary detergents, with our proprietary wash recipes, it's what's going to help you clean what your competitors can't. From category 1, 2, 3, heavy smoke and soot, mold and sewage, biocontamination, the Esporta gives you a new opportunity of work that you previously weren't able to capture.
The machines are assembled here in Kelowna, BC. They are handmade by us in the factory. So we oversee the entire process, from the laser cutting and bending, to the powder coating, to the pre-assembly of the machine coming in the floor, to every nut and bolt that lands on the machine. Quality control and standardization in our machinery is the forefront of our business. We've developed the technology in our machines to be able to support anybody in the world. Using video chat and tablets on the machine, our customers can connect with us and get the troubleshooting and help they need anytime.
Our partnership with customers continues with comprehensive training, education, and support to help them succeed. We offer ongoing webinars and regional in-person training to ensure continuous education for you and your team. Using wash data analysis, we can better understand and support our customers' needs, ensuring long-term success.
In a highly competitive marketplace, you need that differentiating tool, and the Esporta offers that. Gain greater control of the losses that you're serving and build and grow your reputation based on what you can do with the Esporta technology. Restore, don't replace.
That, to us, is one of our taglines. It's one of our trademark, and that's built around the fact that we truly believe is that the industry needs to move away from disposing of so many items. When you bring the very clothes, the sentimental items, the teddy bears, whatever comes from the home that was damaged, and you're able to bring that back to the customer, that customer appreciates it, and it means something. Thank you for taking the time to have an understanding and a look into our company, what we're all about, and we would love you to be a part of the Esporta family.